What's up, sisters? Today I'll be showing you how I cut and shaped my own natural hair. I've just have not been feeling this long hair, and I think I know the reason why, and I think it's because it has no shape. I got these dead ends and this color at the end of my hair. It just needs to be revived somehow, and so I figured why not cutting it myself. I practiced on wigs a ton of times, so have slight confidence to cut my own hair, and I know how much I want to cut off because sometimes going to a beautician, they may cut off more than what you want. So I'm going to take this challenge on and cut it myself. There's no way I'm a professional, so I'm not saying you can do it too, but I know I have the confidence and don't mind if I mess up on my own hair. If I do mess up, then I don't mind going to go get my hair cut completely off because I crave a TWA any day, anytime, anywhere. But instead of cutting my hair super short, I'm going to shape it, get rid of this color and dead ends, and hopefully it turns out for the best. So I sectioned my hair off. As you can see, lots of growth. I want to do an angled shape, graduating up to the top, more like a heart shape. I do want some bangs, so I'm going to just start cutting on the sides, and I'm playing by sight really. And I'm just trimming, starting from the bottom and making my way up. As you can see, I can tell that I start getting excited the more I start cutting, and it felt really good cutting my hair. It wasn't scary at all. It made me really, really happy. It's like I haven't had scissors in my hand in a long time. But this is my first time cutting my own hair. I was finding relief by cutting wigs while I was growing my hair out. And now that I'm doing it to my own hair, it just feels good. I can see why people love to cut hair. If you're a hairstylist or a barber, it's actually pretty fun. And so I'm just going section by section, chopping it off piece by piece, making sure I'm, looking at the shape, putting my hands up to my hair to make sure it's going in the angle I want it to go in, and getting any flyaways. As you can see, boom, got the angle. Now I'm taking the back part of my hair. I split the back down the middle, and I'm, putting the hair against the hair that's in the front that I just cut, and I'm cutting along the same shape, trying to make it even as possible. I heard that it's good to cut your hair while it's in its natural state, so that's why my hair is not straight. And I have not straightened my hair in almost 10 years because I've almost been natural for 10 years. This is my 9th year being natural, and I have never straightened my hair, so I have no plans on straightening it. So there's no point of me straightening it. No point of having it completely even or even worrying about it being even. So I'm just cutting it, and it's pretty much gonna be in layers at this point. If you can tell with the way that it's being cut, it's pretty much layers on a fro or a tapered fro, just not to the extreme to where it's like really, really low. But it is gonna have a nice shape, so I'm excited, and I'm getting rid of that color. That color I had colored my hair back to back, which I think my twist outs, that's why my twist outs weren't the same. They weren't looking as good to me like they used to when I first went natural. And I think the reason was because I had color, I did color when I had the TWA. I did color back to back. I had first did some blonde highlights, and then I went back and put like this burgundy purple color in like 1 month apart. And I kept that hair color in this whole time. As you see, it was on the tips of my hair, and I finally got rid of it. I'm cutting it out, and hopefully my twist outs will look a lot better. So now that I got that done, the top part I want to keep it long, longer than the bottom part, but you can see I'm just cutting away, but it's definitely going to be longer than the bottom part. And I'm going to cut some bangs as well. So I just split that down the middle, and I'm cutting along, making sure it's doing a graduated effect going outwards and giving me that heart shape that I desire. And as you can see, boom, done. I'm pretty excited. I couldn't wait to test my, do a twist out on it. I also did go and co-wash, or actually shampooed my hair, and I did put a dark rinse, a dark brown rinse to, you know, get rid of my little dull natural color. I want my hair to look a certain way. Oh, bless you, honey. My baby just sneezed. So this was my twist out beforehand, before I cut it. And this is my new twist out. This is the new shape, and I absolutely love it. I love the height up top, and I'm not gonna lie, I did put scissors back in my hair to even layer the top part some more. So I wanted my hair to stick up some more at the crown to get that nice round effect to my hair. So I'm excited to share and do my hair some more this year, and, you know, try out different styles that I never tried out before. Definitely with this shape. I think stuff that I tried before that didn't look good would probably look a lot better. Definitely with those dead ends gone from my hair. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. If you want to see a tutorial on this twist out, comment below, let me know. And don't forget to check out our other YouTube pages, and, you know, subscribe to those channels as well. Big things coming this year. Thanks for watching. Peace out, sisters.